Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Evtx file to JSON. You can see on my computer I have a Evtx file. I can open it with Event Viewer. It's a standard Microsoft tool. Very slow and yeah, still loading. Or I can view event by one, or I can double click on it. I have a Evtx viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what inside of Evtx. It's kind of like in table form, allowing me to see what inside of Evtx, filters data or export into different formats. I will be exporting this file, which contains over 3000 events, into JSON file with application I will download and install from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find application, I will click on search and type Evtx, and I need this convert Evtx page, and I click on Evtx to JSON and click on download button to start downloading. I will be recording more videos on different converters for Evtx format and other formats, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, we are waiting for small archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud. Here it is. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on the MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. Step 1, we have to select all Evtx files we would like to use for conversion. I have my file is here, it's 2 MB file, and after all files I can add more file if I want them to be in my JSON file, but for testing purposes I'll use just this one. Click on next. Here I can specify what exactly will be taken from Evtx file, because Evtx contains a lot of fields, right? And here I can select all fields, or maybe I need just data fields, or I don't know, or maybe created field and data or something like this. So just for testing purposes, select all, click on next step, and here I can preview my JSON file. You can see it's using Evtx tag name of the file as the name of the top structure, and then adding record number and all data within a record as a JSON data. And if I click save results, it will ask me for name and location of the file. This name location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. Now let's go and open file. I can open it with Notepad just to show you that this is a JSON file. You can see all data in int carefully formatted into JSON format, and it's very compact. It's not extended format, but very compact view and almost like a data table. It contains 3000 records in it. So yeah, basically that's it. This is how to convert Evtx file to JSON. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.